What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock. This video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure to do your due diligence before making any investments inside of the market. That being said, guys, we have an incredible video for you guys today. Absolutely insane news what's going on behind the scenes with SoFi. All I need for you guys to do is smash the like button. Let's try and get this video to 2,000 likes so everyone can see this video, create more diamond hands, more long-term investors on SoFi so we can continue to break all-time highs like we did today, guys. And don't forget to drop a comment. I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I can. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Guys, we just closed at the highest level in SoFi history, the highest close ever. I believe SoFi right now is flipping into full gear after getting hammered for the past 3 years, losing 2 of their businesses, student loans and crypto. Everything is coming back from top to bottom. This company is firing on all cylinders right now. You are going to see mind-blowing levels, mind-blowing growth in this Q4 quarter coming up. Nothing can stop SoFi. The short sellers can't stop SoFi. The analysts giving sell ratings can't stop SoFi. Nobody believes it anymore. This company is unstoppable. We know the 2 massive goals CEO Anthony Noto has put out there. 50 million members. We're currently right around 12 to 13 million, and then a 1 trillion market cap. We're right around 38 billion right now. That's a 27x from here. It's likely going to take, over a decade, but hey, a 27x from here will be mind-blowing wealth for anyone that can hold for the long term. So yes, guys, you can see the CEO is more confident than ever, throwing around the T word, the 1 trillion. Anthony Noto also and management has just received their first level of bonus compensation package at the $25 level. I have to look into it to see exactly what he got, but they have finally been paid out for that $25 level because they held over 25 for 90 days. I believe Anthony Noto got around $50 million. But understand there is 2 bonus packages left that they need to hit by June 2026. The $35 level and the $45 level. We need to hold those levels over 90 days. And I believe SoFi can make that happen. And right now, guys, my personal price target on the SoFi stock, in the short term is $46. And yes, guys, I do believe a $100 stock price is achievable inside of 2026 if we get into fairy tale land, okay? If the market shows a big flip over to fintech, SoFi is going to be the leader. And we know the big catalyst that is coming SoFi's way, of course, and that is the S&P 500 inclusion. Right now, I believe there's a 20% chance that we can get in inside of December 5th, okay? But realize the probability can change depending on how many companies get in. Right now, there's 11 companies eligible. But, depending on the quarter, we've seen 1 company get in, 2 companies get in, sometimes even 3 companies can get in at one time. So that would increase our probability up to 30, 35, 40%, okay? So it just depends. But I believe we're going to get inside the S&P 500 inside of 2026. And right now, I think a lot of institutions, all around the world are loading up on SoFi, getting prepared for that S&P 500 inclusion, kind of front running it because they really do believe it's going to happen, okay? These are some of the biggest institutional increases I've seen in the past 3 years by these massive companies that I'm going to show you inside of this video today. But understand, all of the filings that happened for Q3 will be completed on Monday. Right now, we're about halfway done, and it doesn't get any more bullish than what I've seen. So yes, guys, we have closed at the highest level in company history. The management has just hit their first level of bonus compensation package at 25, 35, and 45 are on the way. And you're just seeing institutional buying pressure, come out of this world. So understand, guys, S&P 500 inclusion, you don't know when it's going to happen, but realize, you want to be in before it happens. So that's why you're seeing a lot of people, starting to accumulate SoFi more aggressively. So be sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get the video to 2,000 likes. We got a great video for you today. If you want to see all of the moves that I'm making, all of the trades that I'm making inside of SoFi on, Leap Options trades, be sure to sign up for the VIP Patreon group. Inside of the VIP Patreon group, we continue to double down anytime the market provides us with opportunities, and that is how you get your portfolio, up to the next level. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. We got a great video for you today. Let's get into it. All right, guys, as you can see, SoFi, incredible strength today, up 4%. about $1.26. You can see, they tried to shake us out again. They've been doing this for the past couple of days, but I believe this is going to stop. You got a 5% pump, then all the way down to basically flat, and then ended up today 4%. So people continue to get shaken out, and whales continue to accumulate retail shares, as you guys can see. Now take a look at this, guys. SoFi is operating, on the next level right now. I mean, all systems go. SoFi has officially launched in the past 3 weeks. Level 1 options confirmed. International money transfers confirmed. Crypto buy, sell, hold. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana confirmed. They're rolling it out right now. You can see SoFi commented on this post. They're running laps, guys. They are making moves right now. This is exactly what we want to see. The company is delivering and executing at a very rapid pace. And I believe the Galileo, is fully going to be integrated. And you're going to see SoFi deliver more product innovation faster than ever. Just take a look at the price to sales on other competitors, companies in the lending sector, brokerage sector, buy now, pay later, just the list goes on. Take a look, guys. Upstart at the bottom, price to sales valuation at 3.2x, Chime 3.4x, Affirm 6.7x, Charles Schwab 7.2x, Webull 9.2x, SoFi 9.7x, and Robinhood 22.7x. Now understand, guys, Robinhood is going for everything right now. They added, sports, prediction markets. I mean, they just don't care. They want any type of transaction fee that they can get their hands on. And SoFi CEO Anthony Noda said, hey, we're not going to be operating at that pace. We're investing for the long term. We're doing no short-term gambling. And I believe SoFi's earnings are going to continue to move up each and every single quarter. I mean, they're not going to get wiped out when equities volumes, come down, crypto volumes slow down. SoFi is not going to get wiped out because the business continues to diversify faster and faster. I'm not saying we deserve a 22x multiple right now, but with the way SoFi is executing, I think this can continue to move up into the 13x, 15x price to sales. And this stock's going to be a $40, $50 stock in no time at all. But as you guys can see, Upstart was priced higher than us on price to sales, at one point last year. And now we've absolutely destroyed them because of earnings execution, guys. Fundamentals will take care of you over the long term. And that's exactly what's happening with SoFi. And now the stock is continuing to break out to all-time highs. Breaking news, KBW Tim Switzer reiterates a $20 price target after the crypto launch. Basically, crypto is added onto the platform, and they didn't change their price target. They just said $20 once again. No 2026 EPS changes. He's not even at the middle guidance of what SoFi is saying right now. These guys just absolutely don't care about their reputation. And remember, guys, these guys were given $5 price targets, then 7, then 10, then 12, then 15, 20. Just absolutely getting destroyed on reputation, falling the SoFi stock price, and just continuing to lag behind. I would not believe any of these analysts on Wall Street. There's a lot of investors out there and institutions that want to hold SoFi back, but I'm telling you, nobody's buying it any longer. Breaking news, guys, we have Geode Capital increases ownership by 14%. Total shares, 21 million shares. Total value, $575 million. The big whales are adding a 14% increase. BlackRock has increased ownership by 27%. 62 million shares. Total value, $1.65 billion. Absolutely insane buy-ins right now. And we also showed you guys on our last video JP Morgan Chase and also Vanguard, and we're going to show you what the top 10 whales are doing right now. So you can see institutional ownership has hit the highest level in company history after BlackRock and Vanguard just finished their filings. You can see, the total share count is just continuing to move into, institutional ownership's hands. But remember, we're about halfway through, so this is going to likely change. But this is updated as of right now, guys. 4 out of the top 10 whales have completed their filings. Take a look at what 4 of the whales have done. 6.8% increase on Vanguard. BlackRock, 27% increase. JP Morgan, 881% increase. Geode, 13.7% increase. So 4 of the top 10 whales have all added significantly to their position. So we got about 6 filings coming in. They're likely going to come in Thursday and Friday, potentially Monday. We're going to be giving you those updates. But as you guys can see right now, SoFi's breaking out. All the whales are doubling down. Earnings per share is skyrocketing. Crypto launch has just officially been confirmed. Level 1 options, international money transfers. The company is firing on all cylinders. You got rate cuts kicking in December. I mean, 2026 is going to be the most insane year for SoFi and SoFi history. You thought 2025 was good. I mean, we're already getting ahead of ourselves. Q4 is going to be absolutely insane, but 2026, they're looking for world dominance, guys. I mean, we're talking 9% market share on brand awareness. SoFi CEO thinks they can get to 30% brand awareness, and that's when they're going to unlock super scale. He's calling super scale at 30% brand awareness, guys. So SoFi right now, the CEO is fired up. He just got his big payday, $50 million. The big paydays are coming our way. And you can take a look at SoFi's website right here. This is what the crypto launch is looking like. The first and only national chartered bank where individuals can buy, sell, and hold crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. It's being rolled out. We don't know to how many users, but they're probably just, testing it to make sure the glitches, are in check and stuff like that. But guys, it's just absolutely clean across the board. I think it's gonna be incredible UI once we get the update. I mean, just look at this, guys. You can just tell they're going for clean, fast, efficient, and I'm really excited to get my hands on this because I'm gonna be buying some crypto on SoFi. So guys, this is becoming a one-stop shop, fully fledged, dominant banking platform that nobody is going to be able to stop at this point, okay? Institutional investors are trying to front run this S&P 500 inclusion as fast as possible because they know it's coming. Nothing can stop SoFi right now. SoFi CEO and management is executing at perfection right now, guys, and all you need to understand is EPS, earnings per share, is going to continue to skyrocket over the next couple quarters. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. We're going to continue to keep you updated on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to sign up for the VIP Patreon group. We're making moves. We're entering leap options on SoFi. We're sending out buy alerts on any market opportunities that arrive our way. So this is where you're going to get access to some of my private trades that aren't on YouTube. So be sure to sign up for the VIP Patreon group. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll be keeping you updated daily. Hope you guys have a great day.